Okay, once you go to Google, I want you to type in Vex VR. Click on Vex Code VR. Up here, you select Playground, and I want you to select the disk mover. Okay, I want you to be able to take all these disks and put them in the corresponding squares. Okay, I want you to continue this for all the disks and get all the red ones in the red box, all the green ones in the green box. And then take a screenshot of your code and put it in your presentation.